We divide 461 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, it is 0. We put down this 6 and 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting, it is 0. So again we put down this 1. So 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting, it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other numbers to put down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, it is 0. So 461 divided by 2 is 230 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.